All right, so basically once you put in all the pipes and structures in the network, you can see here, you can kind of take a look at it in 3D. And this would be nice to take out to the field in sight vision, and you'd be able to see what the structures would look like before you put them in the ground. Now, we still could come in and do a trench and do a complete trench surface for these pipes and these runs. But what I wanted to show in this particular case is if I just run the utility report without doing the trenching, and I choose that network, when I click OK, what's going to happen is it's going to give me some tables. I've got a line summary table, so it kind of gives me the total lengths of my storm drain pipes, so my 18-inch, 6, and 10 HDPs. So I've got numbers, at least values, for how much my linear pipe, and I can compare that to, the plans and what, the engineer told or, recommended or estimated. If I do the node takeoff, you can see here that it gives me a table of all the invert elevation information. You can see some of these are duplicates. So the duplicates where basically you got two pipes connecting to the same node. You got some other ones down here that shows all the different runs. All right, so you've got some design height, some value cubic yards. Here's a node summary, shows me how many different inlets I have. We got one, the basin and the roof drains, and again, so giving you a kind of a quick report, call it a length and count report, basically, of your utilities. Now, we haven't done any of the surfacing, so it hasn't given us the volumes of earthwork for the trench and the backfill material. And we'll go ahead and do that in a following video and show you how to do that.